All right, this is gold on 15-minute time frame. All right, now I want to teach you guys how I'm able to beat the mental game of trading and become consistently profitable, right? But before I even show my face on this video, let me show you one particular chart that I'm currently in right now. This is XAUSD on 15 minutes time frame. All right, now one thing I'll be discussing here is discipline. All right, now I took this trade earlier this morning, just pre-London session, right? Because I was seeing a setup that looks like a buy during the Asian session, right? Right now, so let me just cut the chart and show you what I was looking at during the Asian session. Now, I woke up during the Asian session just around that 3 a.m. in the morning. Then I was seeing a setup that looks like a buy. All right. Now, this sometimes would have made you go in for a buy because you believe that XAUSD is in an overall bullish trend. You literally see that the market is coming to touch this trend line, right? You see that the market came to touch trend line. When it touched this trend line, there was a buying opportunity, right? Went up, now price came here. So you will really want to go in for a buy, right? But because of one of my disciplines says I don't like to trade during the Asian session because I've done that. Market have not been going so well, right? Each time I trade the Asian session, so I know my strategy. I decided not to trade the Asian session. So what happened? Despite the fact that the market is looking juicy here, right? Price action is looking juicy. I didn't go in for a buy. So I just decided to close my laptop and went back to bed. So waking up during the London session, just pre-London session, I saw that the market started giving me, all right, a bearish engulfing candle. Did you see that? So seeing this, so if I had gone in on the buy, what would have happened? I would have been a drawdown. So seeing this one, I knew that the market would sell. That was why I was able to capitalize on this sell, right? And for you know it now, this matched the one, and this is the real market, right? And we are currently holding this particular trade. All right, so this is BTC USD as you can see. Now, this particular trade, we're able to spot the trend early enough, right? Because we do top-down analysis. I like to check my analysis from the higher time frame. So I've been able to see what the market looks like on the weekly time frame. I scale down to daily and 4 hour. Then you could look at it. I know that the market has been what bearish, right? These are a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Right? I can see. So I'm able to sell this particular trade ever since the market broke this particular level here. So we've been selling BTC USD ever since. You see that? So if you look at this, is a trend, right? Now, with the help of a trend line, you will notice that we can write a particular trend to the end. You see that this is a trend line, right? So once you're able to spot a trend like this, what you'll be looking for is just ability to just look for sell opportunity. I've been holding this trade now since yesterday. I'm currently still riding this particular market, right? In fact, I've added more positions on this particular trade, right? Now, this is where I'll be exiting. Now, even here, I would still be adding more position once the market break this particular support, come to this level to retest it, right? Because my zone is still here. You can see the market move from zone to zone. If you look here right now, I've marked this particular as my weekly zone, right? And market is leaving this particular weekly zone to another weekly zone. So if you calculate it right now, from this zone to this zone, it's over 1,400 pips. Did you see that? So when you catch trade like this, the ability to let it run is what will make you profitable, right? A lot of you guys will just see small money in your MT5, you close your trade. That's not how to trade. You are not trading your MT5, you are trading the chart. So if I were you, I'll focus on the chart, not on what I'm seeing on my MT5, because whatever that is happening here is a reflection I'm seeing on my MT5. So I should focus on my chart, not on my what MT5. So that's just that. So the last thing I'll be sharing in this particular video is to let you know that risk management is the king, right? Now, you don't want to make money today and lose money tomorrow, right? Your profits of yesterday does not guarantee that you're going to make money today. So no matter how much you make as a trader, always observe risk management, right? Because the market will always be here, but your profit or your capital will not always be here, right? There have been a time where I've been in losing streak for like months, but I'd never built my account. Why? Because I'm very big in risk management. I will never execute the trade until I know what I want to risk, right? Then I also know the lot size to use. Some of you don't even know that gold right now is expensive to trade. The number is 0.01 on gold. That will give you like $10 or $5 before. It's no more 0.01 now. Go and study how you can calculate your lot size, especially trading gold and BTC USD. I have such video on my YouTube channel. Get to the playlist and search for the video. Be able to calculate your lot size properly and professionally. So always observe proper risk management and don't allow yesterday wins to get into your head or the losses of yesterday to get into your heart. Forex is not possibility, it's probability. So whenever you're taking a trade, have the mindset that never be a winner or a loser. So in a short form, these are three simple steps I'm able to beat the mental game of forex trading and become profitable in the market. Number one, which is discipline, staying aggressive to my rule. Number two, riding the trend, catching the early reversal or catching the what, the trend continuation. Then number three, risk management. If you observe these three things, trust me, you're going to be what, profitable. My name is Gordon Trade. Thank you for watching this particular time. Should in case you want me to mentor, you want me to be the one to guide you through, so that you can start analyzing the market professional like I do. The link to join my mentorship is inside this video description. Do it to smart it. And also, we also have a free Telegram community. We normally drop one trade signal there per day for you guys to make money. We also have the VIP Telegram community where we are currently running the challenge of taking $10 to 10K. This is going to be ending by January 2026. So if I were you, I would take advantage right now of the Black Friday promo, which is currently going on, to be part of the VIP Telegram community. So I haven't said all this. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.